So Tesla did a quarter 1 company update slash earnings call. Here's everything that I thought is pretty important from what we can or that they discussed that might be more pretty important to you as well. There is a lot of different updates, and of course, if you want to take a look at the shareholder deck with everything, you can go to ir.tesla.com. And a lot of the different things are cool if you're a shareholder. I mean, this is exactly who it's for, but we're just looking for the best deal, right? And so we're also looking for new models, affordable models, and everything like that. So here's Tesla Newswire. They posted this. Tesla will launch new models and affordable options later this year, with production starting in the first half of 2025. They didn't necessarily say what is going to be coming out, but they did say they are still on track. So first half of 2025, I mean, we're looking at what, less than 3 months at this point, just a little bit over 2 months. We also have this. Elon says that unsupervised full self-driving will be available for personal use in the US by the end of the year. So this would mean like maybe vehicles like Model Y Cybertruck, which have the front camera, that could be unsupervised, so you don't have to pay attention at all. That will definitely be a game changer in terms of demand and what Tesla said about that, because if there's lack of demand, then more discounts, incentives, and everything. Tesla says that the global trade situation could have a meaningful impact on demand for our products in the near term. Uncertainty in the automotive and energy markets continue to increase as rapidly evolving trade policy adversely impacts the global supply chain and cost structure of Tesla and our peers. This dynamic, along with the changing political sentiment, could have a meaningful impact on demand for our products in the near term. And so that's probably why Elon did also say on the earnings call that he will be stepping away from Doge, at least taking a less role, and will be more focusing on Tesla after that. Elon said he is confident that you'll be able to sleep in your Tesla and wake up at your destination by the end of the year in US. But jokes on him, there's already people doing this in terms of falling asleep while driving on full self-driving and autopilot. Elon Musk says that Tesla will be initially be operating 10 to 20 robotaxis in Austin, Texas this June. And it also appears that it's going to be Model Ys, not the Cybercab as we might have guessed or might have predicted from that. Taking a look at all the different models that are in production and everything, Tesla has made some changes to the annual vehicle capacity chart. Next gen Roadster is still in design development. Cybercab is in construction, and Semi is in construction as well. We see nothing here of a refresh for the Model S or Model X, and so hopefully that's still on track to be releasing as well. Tesla has also said that more affordable models are launching this year, but they are working out last minute issues, and that ramp will be a little slower than they had initially hoped due to current trade and global issues. And so hopefully it will get announced and launched, and then maybe start to slowly deliver as everything goes throughout the different months and everything. Lars said that affordable models will become built in the coming months and will resemble the form and shape of cars that Tesla's currently makes. So it does appear that maybe stripped down versions, maybe even stripped down versions of the new Model Y are on the way. And maybe those are the vehicles that could be robotaxis and also could be more affordable for the more lower priced and everything in the near future. I guess we'll wait and see, but I don't know. I mean, I feel like the sentiment is that people do not want a stripped down Model Y, but maybe that's just people that, watch every single day or look at this all the time. And the other people out there might not even realize and just want a Tesla Model Y, don't even realize it could have less features and everything. Elon did say that his time allocation to Doge will drop significantly starting next month, and he'll devote more time to Tesla. And so I don't know if this is good or bad. I mean, it could be good. Maybe that would help with demand and sales, but I guess we'll see as when he comes back and everything. Cybercab will be built 6 times faster than a Model Y. A Cybercab will roll off the production every 5 seconds versus 33 seconds for a Model Y. And so I guess they could ramp up production super quickly if they need to with the new Cybercab, but it's also not a consumer vehicle. I mean, not consumer is in the sense that people will buy it. It'll be for renting, or I guess if people want to buy it and then rent it out. Given uncertainty in the economic resulting from changing trade policy, more affordable options are as critical as ever. Okay, so I guess that makes sense. So that's like their pitch on why they need to cheapen the vehicles and sell it at a lower price. Quote, during the new Model Y switchover, we've also prepared our factories for the launch of the new models later this year. And so I guess they spent that time doing other things as well with the production lines and everything. So really cool to see. Here's the latest one that definitely has to everything to do with demand, because every quarter update they give guidance for the year and how many sales and everything, and they didn't do that in this last call for that. And so Tesla says they will revisit their 2025 sales guidance and production in their quarter 2 update, which, if you don't know what that is, quarter 2 update will be in July of this year. It's difficult to measure the impact of shifting global trade policy on automotive and energy supply chains, our cost structure, and demand for durable goods and related services, while we are making prudent investments that will set us both up for energy vehicle and energy businesses for growth. And so we'll start to hear. And if this quarter doesn't do well, then they are definitely going to need more sales and more deals, more incentives as we go into the next quarter. But let us know what your thoughts on it. Let us know what you're thinking.